Mustafa John. Thank you for taking us to places unseen. Mustafa John, exploring the world, living the dream.
Hello everyone, I am Mustafa Jan, welcome to Jan Studio. This is the 18th episode of the Vietnam series. Today is our video about the one-day tour, so first of all, we will visit the handicapped people's workshop.
Alright everyone, where we are right now is the Like a Painting area, and this is the local guide. She will introduce for you the history and the procedure, how all handicapped people over there can create a lot of beautiful painting like this. Alright, after you visiting the area, the restroom and coffee over there, you go to buy some coffee. I'll wait for you outside. So we have around 20 to 30 minutes here. Alright, enjoy your time.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm a local guide here. Very nice to meet you. Thank you very much for your visit Handicap and Handicraft Factory. Opened since 1976, our factory belongs to the Department of War Victims and Handicapped Peoples. We serve the job for a lot of the handicapped peoples and who are affected from Agent Orange. Step by step is all by hand, no machine. We make traditional art of Vietnam by lacquer products. Say no with plastic or chemical painting. Everything uses natural material. And now let's follow me to have a look in the factory. This way, please.
Thank you.
The traditional art of Vietnam is lacquer product. Say no with plastic.
This is the steps, and I'm going to show you this design.
First, I want to show you about this design. It's very Vietnam, very beautiful, and also the bestseller picture here. This is traditional Vietnamese dress. The name is áo dài. Áo means shirt and dài means long. It's a long dress. And the painting is the late axle, seesaw, and hand painting together. They paint red because red is the national color of Vietnam. It's a symbol of lucky and happiness. And the painting is made of rosewood, one of the most strongest wood in Vietnam, can be with different weather. Especially the wood is covered with 24 layers of lacquer, so it's a custom for all of country. For example, Australia or New Zealand. And you can see we only hand painting here. We don't use any machine for printing or scanning, so after finish, everything is different. Cannot look for something exactly the same. 24 layers of lacquer. And next step please, I'd like to show you about inlay axle.
Alaga dapat anda bani ko yara.
This step is inlay axle and this is dog egg. We use dog egg instead of chicken egg because dog axle is stronger and thicker than chicken axle. The white is the natural color and the brown is burning color. As you can see, we break the axle one by one until it's broken and stick with the lacquer. This is lacquer oil. It's made of lacquer tree and mixed with this one, cashew oil. And you can see after inlay, the axle is really rough, not smooth. You can have a touch.
Yeah. एक अगर पिसू नहीं मत करे
It's really rough, right? So that's why we need to cover many layers of lacquer on the top of the picture and then polishing with water by wet stone and sandpaper. And can you guess these cloths made of what material?
No.
It's the seesaw. It's also the next step of us. Let's move on to the next step, please. This way. Excuse me, everyone.
Tiku, Vikrama, Vintaraja.
This step is the late C cell and this is C cell, the mother of pearl. It has many different kinds, so I'd like to tell you how to know which one is the real one. If you put the C cell under the light like this, you can easily see the rainbow. Yeah, it's the real one. And here we only use big C cell only because it has beautiful color and really strong. At first, you can see they scan it by hand the design on the C cell. And then they use this hand saw to get the detail. This step we need a lot of patience because we do quickly, this one we break. And after getting the detail, they stick them together and it lay on the wood by the lacquer. And the scissor is just like the axle. After this step, it's still really rough, not smooth. So we need to cover many layers of lacquer and then polishing with water. How they polishing is over here.
دا خسته انفورمیشن
Before polishing, they cover many layers of lacquer on the top of the picture. It's cover all the extra and the center part that I have introduced before. And we have 3 time polishing. First time by wet stone, second and last time by sandpaper. The 3 time take 1.5 weeks. After 3 time polishing, we dry the picture under the sunshine for a few days. And then shine by hand until it's shiny. You can see the difference before and after of the product. It's really smooth. Contactless work. It's true.
هذا فالك
It feels really different, right? And now let's come to the final step over here.
आओ का दे पॉलिश की आओ दवा की ये लग रहा है
At the final step, the product is almost very beautiful. And they use car cream, lemon juice, hot water and turtle wash. Mix and stir together and cover on the top of the picture. And then shine it by hand until it's shiny. The temperature in his hand will make the picture more shiny. You can see the product after this final step is really shiny, right?
yeah
Shiny and smooth.
जबरदस्त ये खस्ता दवा करे
And everything here we
That is
don't sell
history.
outside, we don't sell online. We only display and selling here for who come and understand the value of handmade letterwares. So that's why we really appreciate your visiting. And now you can have a look in the showroom, but no camera please because all the design here are unique. This
यहाँ पे स्टे किया हमने और यहाँ पे अभी वो पेंटिंग शेंटिंग देखी अभी ब्रेकफास्ट कर रहे हैं हम वो कमाल है महमूदा उधर वाला Where do you come from?
Mexico.
Huh? Mexico? So very difficult name.
Mexico.
Mexico.
Yeah, Mexico.
A big hat. दोस्ती है और ये उन्होंने कोई बर्गर टाइप का दिया हुआ है और इसमें मेरे ख्याल में 2 अंडे हैं अभी टेस्ट कर देंगे हाँ ये वाली
You ready? You can go to the car. You can take the coffee and your bread.
ओके
As our visit to the Handicapped People's Workshop comes to an end, I'm truly moved by the incredible talent we witnessed, especially their remarkable paintings. A big thanks to our guide Jack for making this experience insightful and memorable. Special appreciation goes to my friends Majid Jan, Mahmood, and Ikram, who made this trip even more enjoyable. I'm grateful to have shared this journey with friends from India, Tajikistan, and Australia, adding so much diversity to this experience. The creativity and dedication of the artists here are an inspiration to all of us. Their paintings reflect not only skill but also their passion and perseverance. Let's support and celebrate such talented individuals who prove that challenges can be overcome with determination. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more inspiring stories and journeys like this. Your support helps me bring stories of resilience and talent from around the world to your screens. See you in the next video. Until then, take care and stay inspired. Take care to your health. Goodbye.